This video is about messaging in the Tango Tango app. In this presentation, we're going to talk about how you can send messages and read messages, and also how to edit your message list. Let's get started. You can send messages to other contacts from your contacts page. To do that, you swipe right on the contact that you want to send the message to, and then touch the message icon, and from there you can type in the message that you want to send. You can also send messages from the groups page. In this case, you're going to be sending the message to the entire talk group. To do that, it's very similar. You swipe right on the group name, and then you touch the message icon, and then you'll be presented with a screen where you can type in your messages. Now let's go to the messages page. On this page, you can not only type and read messages, but you can also manage your messages. You can see the various components that I've labeled here on the screen, where you can compose a message, you can read your existing message list, and you can edit that message list. Let's first look at how we edit the message list. If you click on the pencil icon that's up in the upper left of the screen, you'll see your messages, and you can tag each one. And after you tag them, you can decide whether to mark them as read or to trash them. You also can search. You can see the search bar there. You can search on your messages. So let's go back to the message screen and compose a new message. To do that, I click the icon that's in the upper right. Now I can add recipients by clicking on the plus sign. I'm going to pick one recipient by touching that recipient. Now you can see that the to field is populated with the name of that recipient, and then I can type my message in the box. I can also attach an image or take a photo from the phone's camera. Once I'm done typing the message, I just click send, and the new message appears in the message list, and it's been sent. Replies to that message will be seen in the same thread, and you can click on that message to see all the messages that are in that thread. So that's it. That's a little bit about sending messages in the Tango Tango app for iOS. Thanks for watching.